Crash Bandicoot!
Alright, we're live. Oh my goodness. Let's give this another go.
It's Crash Bandicoot!
And we're gonna continue from the second game.
It's Crash
Because I say so.
Bandicoot 2!
I'm gonna switch this.
Cortex
Hold on.
strikes back!
There we go.
Crystals, of course. No!
But Dr. Cortex, to reach full power, we need not only your Master Crystal, but also the remaining 25 slave crystals from the surface. How do you expect to retrieve them when we don't have any Earthbound operatives left?
You fool! Do you think I'm unaware of the situation? If we don't have any friends left on the surface, then we'll need to find an enemy.
Crash! 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 My battery is fried. Make yourself useful, big brother, and bring an extra battery for me.
Is that it? I start controlling already? Oh, okay. Wow, okay. I guess I'm going. Hey, hello, Veronique! Hello! Alright, so apparently there's new controls. X to jump, square to spin, and now I can crouch. Nice. Okay. Okay. Nothing? Okay, let's go. Hey, Doug! Hello! Yesterday I played the first game, and today it's the second one. I raged hard yesterday, huh? With this game. I think the first game is the hardest though, everybody complains about that. It's a good game, isn't it?
If it isn't Crash Bandicoot, welcome. I apologize for the crude means used to bring you here, but I'd rather expect a written invitation would have been turned down. I need your help. Surrounding you are a series of 5 doors. Through each door lies a well-hidden crystal. The crystals look like this. Bring me the crystals, Crash. That is all I will say for now. We will speak again.
Why would he help him? That's the thing. Played 2 and 3 growing up. 1 seems a little rough in comparison. Yeah, that's what everybody's been saying, yeah. So that's why I'm going for the second one now. Alright, so Turtle Woods. Be kind to the boxes to earn a special gem. Be kind to the boxes? Okay. But the game is gorgeous, huh? Hey, Cheer is back! Did you get some sleep, Cheer? I did. I woke up early today. It's 6:30 a.m. I woke up at 6 and I'm like, you know what? I feel like playing some more Crash. What's this? Does this do anything? No? Come on! Come on! Yeah, I wanted to stream for longer. The only reason I didn't stream for longer is because I rage quit. Because I rage quit, that's why. Oh wow, I thought I died. A road less traveled. Okay. Same here, Cheer. I think I woke up about, maybe not 5 minutes ago, but maybe 15 minutes ago. I woke up with gaming in mind. That's how I roll. Oh, by the way, pants are not working today. I don't know why, but it's not working. Okay, so these guys cannot be defeated, apparently. I love jumping on bosses. It's so satisfying. It's very satisfying. Come on. Another life. Is there a box up there? Yes, there is. How am I gonna get to it? There we go. If I get all the boxes without dying, I can get a bonus or something. I don't know. There's the crystal. It came out of his butt.
Well done, Crash. I knew I could rely on you. Now listen carefully. These holograms are hard to maintain. During the course of my intellectual pursuits, I have stumbled across a force that threatens to destroy the world. The crystals are the only means of containing it. The fate of the world is at stake. It is imperative, therefore, that you bring them to me.
Are you there, Crash? Crash! Crash! Are you there, Crash? Are you there, Crash?
Why is he helping him anyway? I don't get it. Snow go. Philly! Philly! Bubblegum! This game is a snow go. So, bump, bump. Wow, it's so slippery. Uh-oh. Easy now. Easy. Easy. It's very slippery. Danica! Good morning! Penguin. Whoops. So, what happens? Aha! No more rage quitting. I rage quit yesterday, huh? I was planning on doing yes. I was planning. Okay, how do I do this? I was planning on doing a 12-hour marathon yesterday, but I just rage quit. Oh man, at least it was just a bonus stage. Try again. Ding! Jump and jump. I do this. Bubblegum! Bubblegum! Aha! Something blew up. Ah, the crystal. Come on. I cannot do it. I'm at 11 lives. The penguins are Cute, right? Cute. What is? Careful, buddy. This. This does nothing. Okay. This. Ooh, so close for another life. Ah, whatever. I missed the boxes. Can I finish this game in one sitting? We shall see. Out of his ear. Hang 8. Let's go. Failing abundance doesn't cost lives, I know that, so retry it. I'm at 11 lives. Uh-huh. Twelve lives. Haha. And I got a Boo-Boo-Ga. Oh yeah, baby, whatever this is, I like it. Accelerate. You see, that's why. Wow, everybody, try to control this thing. No, no, no. That's okay. But now I don't have a Boo-Boo-Ga, so I need to be careful. I do have a Boo-Boo-Ga. Okay, so it steers on its own. Kind of. Should I go for it? Should I go for it? I'm not gonna risk it. Not as cool as the one from Back to the Future, but it's cool. I know, right? Let's see what's in here. Actually, the ones from Back to the Future doesn't work on water, so definitely cooler than Back to the Future. Now then. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, 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 no. I'm gonna lose them. Whatever. Ah, crouchy time. Ding! Fight! Fight! How many lives am I at right now? 13. Nice. Oh, come on, I was on top of it. Come on, man. Fair enough. Can I go back again? No, it's off now. Don't be greedy, Bluggy. Don't be greedy. Oh, come on, man! I'm not making the jumps, you see? Oh, come on! Here we go. Here we go. Oh, why am I not making this jump? What's going on? I'm losing all my lives. No! Oh man, I can't even take my time to make the jump right. Okay. Ah. Come on, give me my life back. Here we go. I hate hippos! Oh, come on, how am I supposed to do this? Haha! Nice. That's not how the box is. But I don't care. And I didn't find the crystal this time. Uh-oh. I don't know what happens if you don't find the crystal. I have no idea. Oh, he did find it. Oh, I did find it. I forgot.
Three crystals. Not bad. I see you are getting the hang of it. I need to conserve power. I will communicate with you again after you retrieve the fifth crystal.
What is the pits? Okay, the pits. And then crash dash. And then we're done here. Okay. Let's go. You just got to work? I start work in 15 hours. So I guess there's time to play a game. Be careful of these turtles because those turtles are evil. Booga! Okay, that's some of the enemies you can't kill. I don't know why. Oh, nice. So you can jump on them. You're up early. I am. I woke up around 6 probably, or even earlier, I think. And I'm like, let me play a video game. Can we do this? Can I pull this off? No, that's fine. Now, which way shall I go? Let's go this way. Oh, come on! I did press jump. Maybe I pressed it too late, but I pressed it. Babuga! It doesn't work. I'm gonna go this way now. I forgot to tweet this tree. I should tweet this tree. Hold on. I need to tweet this tree. Because. Hold on. I need to. I have to. This tree. I should tweet this tree. Sorry, that's just me repeating myself. Hold on. So, bear with me. Bear with me. Okay. Tweeted. Now I'm gonna share it on my own Facebooks as well. Okay. Sorry about that. Hello, Saranya. Welcome. Welcome. Let's continue. Resume. Babuga! 1, 2. Hup! This guy. And this guy. What did I do? I don't know. Oh, come on, man! Come on, man! Oh, come on! It's the same spot, exactly. I hate dying at the same spot. Especially when I have no idea what I just did. Cost me 2 lives already, stupid bird. What's he gonna do? Okay. Alright. Okay, so the crystals are easy to find actually. It's not like they're hidden or something. This guy has what? Like saws? Alright, I cannot avoid this guy. What's over here? I can't see. Can I make a jump? Hoop! I don't know where I'm going with this. Where am I going? Oh, a bird just showed up. Oh, hello! This is nice and pleasant. Fight! That's enough. Come get it, bird. Checkpoint. Oh, bonus. I remember these boxes, but you cannot break these boxes, can you? No, these boxes cannot be broken. What do I do? I don't know. Oh, there you go. Oh, okay, I didn't know that. Hold on. I don't know what I just did. Alright. Okay. Croc with saw for us the bars. Like shark with freaking laser beams attached to their heads. Whoa, come on, man! Let's try again. Come on, do this, buddy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, come on! Come on! I'm at 8 lives. Come on, we need to be at 10. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ha! I don't like Dark Souls actually. Everybody plays it, I don't like it. It's not my thing. It's not my kind of game. It's too hard. In my opinion. Boing. Come on. Boing, 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 boing. Did I collect the crystal this time? I did, eh? I like the original ways he takes out the crystal. I love that. Last one, crash dash. This feels like one of those runs. I like it. You should check Gianna Sisters Twisted Dreams. What is it? Like, is it horror? What is it? Sliding can help you move faster. Okay, that's good to know. Yeah, this feels like it's one of those runs. Is it one of those runs? Feels like it. I'm running towards the screen, so I think so. The game wants me to slide, so apparently. Or it's Resident Evil. Oh man, I thought it was something I had to collect. I thought it was something I had to collect. Come on, man. That was cheap. Try again. Alright, 10 lives. Come on, let's not screw this up. Ah, safe. Ding ding! Ready? It's a side scroll. I love side scrollers actually. This is either Indiana Jones or Resident Evil! Come on! Oh, come on, man. I love these kind of adventures, like... Ah, run! Ah, safe. Bing! Ready for more? This level makes me think of Resident Evil. Oh, come on! That jump! I should have made that jump. I love how he looks back with concern. I love that. That's important. And that box is over there. I'll come back for it. Alright, let's go. I'm not gonna bother with that one. Haha, look at me, those skills, huh? Alright, I can do this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. What? I thought that one had... I only jumped on that box once though. Right. I can do this. Come on. I need to get me some lives. There. Oh, what? You think so, Cheer? You think my skills have improved? I don't think so. Maybe the game is just easier on this one. This feels easier. But again, this is still just the first mission anyway, so... One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 1! Ah, I did it! Those jumping skills, huh? Okay, how many lives did I get so far? I'm at 11 lives. 12? Nice. And I got the crystal. We're good. What's this? Ah, okay. Something tells me we're not done with the boulders then. Let's do this. Ah, I missed the box. Uh-oh, come on, come on, come on, come on! Nice. I love how the boulders keep going over the pits as well. They just jump over the pit, like, you know, the gaps. They just keep going over the gaps. Nothing. It's like they don't exist. Oh, I missed it. Oh man! Oh, come on, that box is ruining me. It's just that box. No, I'm not gonna get greedy for a box. That box cost me a life now. I got it! I don't care about the apples right now! Oh, come on, man! Really? Oh man! Hey Christina, welcome! Nice to see you. Come on, I must do this now. Christina's here. Ah! Oh, whoa, come on, it's just that jump. I'm not making that jump. I don't know why. I'm down to 7 lives. That can't be right. Come on. Let's go, 1, 2. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on! Why am I not making that one jump? That one jump! Come on, man! Missed it. I wonder if it counts. The boulder smashed the thing anyway, but... I wanted to go back for it! Ah! Whoa! Ah, I don't want to go back for it! Ah! Man, anyway. Wow, I got all the boxes? Oh, of course, the boulder smashed everything. Okay, so there was no point. Oh, look at that! Oh. Nice. Calls Chris Redfield to punch those boulders. I know, right?
You are helping Cortex gather crystals. Yet you have acquired a gem. Interesting. Well, Crash, know this. As long as you are allied with Cortex, you are my sworn enemy, and I will do anything in my power to stop you. If the fate of the world is truly your concern, you must gather the gems, not the crystals. If you obtain all 42 gems, I can use them to focus a laser. Yes, a laser beam that will destroy Cortex and the space station he has created. Until then, I must use my forces to stop you from gathering crystals.
What? Oh, that's funny. That was close, wasn't it? I know, right? Alright, now what? What's going on here? What's this? Ripperoo. Okay, let's go. Ripperoo. Let it rip. Oh, he's gonna make me rip a lot, I think. It's the same guy from the first game, isn't he? No, it's not. Is it? What the heck? Oh, come on, seriously? What's he doing here? Maybe I need to jump on him? Whoa! Alright, nice. Careful, buddy, careful. Oh, come on, man. How am I supposed to know where he's gonna go? Hey, Yala, welcome. All the awesome people are showing up right now. I'm losing all my life with this boss. He's blowing himself up. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna stand here. I need to be careful where I jump. And he's dead. Yes, it is on PS4, yes. That laugh. Oh, Danica. Now what? Now what happens? What happens now? Do I stand here? Yeah, so R1 to go up. He's doing the pointy finger. Aha! Ooh, nice. It's all snowy here. Oh, the polar bear! The polar bear! Alright, Danica, remember this? We had a demo of this level right here.
I see that Ripperoo failed to prove much of a challenge yet again. But back to business. There are crystals to be gathered, 20 to be exact. The planets will align shortly, all 13 of them, and this will create a power great enough to rip the Earth apart. Properly utilized, however, the crystals can absorb and contain the energy.
Crash, is that you? I've been looking everywhere. I don't have much time to tell you this. You have to be careful. Trusting Cortex seems a little unwise, Crash. I can't keep the data path open much longer. Crash, you need to...
Alright. Hello, Slip Gamer Man. I wouldn't know about that, to be honest with you. I think you would require 4K TV. I think it would be kind of a waste if you have a PS4 but not a 4K TV. That's what I think. I don't think you'd see much difference, to be honest with you. Carol Christ, hello! Okay, Danica, check this out. Check this out, Danica. I think you remember this. Listen to the music and look at the gameplay. I think we had a demo. The demo consisted of just this level. If I remember correctly. Yes. The demo was just the stage. You remember this? Oh. Alright, let's try again. I love this music. Missing a box. Come on, tell me you remember this. Ugh! I missed it! I missed it again! The crystal. Even the music is hilarious. Oh, come on, man! Be careful, I don't want you to get busted at work. Whoa! Oh, come on, I need to make that jump. I need to jump in between. And that's costing me so many lives. Oh, come on! Firstly, I think the polar bear is the best vehicle. There we go, we did it! Checkpoint. Did I get the checkpoint? I don't think I did! Oh, come on, man! Did we get the checkpoint? Yes, we did. Come on, man. Anwar. Yes, it's a good game. I recommend! Schluff! Man, I died. This is my first game over.
Game over.
How are you, Anwar? Man. It's tough. Yes, Crash 1, Crash 2, and Crash 3 all remade. Yes, that's right. That is correct. Let's go. I love how he does the thing with the eyebrows before he jumps, and I'm like, I have an idea. Come on, I keep missing that one up. Oh, come on. I used to be so good at this because I played this game so many times. I knew how to beat this whole thing without dying once. Because I had the demo, and all I had was the demo. So I used to play this over and over again. You know, when you're a kid, you don't mind repetition. 1, 2. There we go. We did it now. Out of the box. Nice. Jumpy jump. Come on, man! Oh, come on. Nitro are very sensitive. I'm down to 3 lives. Come on, I didn't do the jump. Oh, no! The underwear! Did you see the underwear on his face? Look at the underwear. It falls on his face. Oh man, this jump! Game over. I need to do this. I can't believe I was so good at this when I was a kid, and now it's amazing. This is the only stage I was good at. Box. The music. Love music! Come on, man. They did a great job with this remake, huh? Come on! Ah, he dodged the box. I wish I could dodge the enemies like that. Yeah, baby. I'm down to 2 lives. We did it. We did it. Ooh, so close with the boxes. Nice. Do I wish to go back as a kid? No, not really. I like being an adult. It's true. People want to go back to their childhood and stuff. I don't mind being an adult. No school. I got money. It's true. I live on my own. I don't wear pants all day. So, let's start with Crush Crush. more snow. And why am I running towards the camera again? What's going on? What's going on? Oh no, another boulder. Another boulder. That's why it's called Crash Crash. No! Help! I'm still not safe. Okay. Whew. Oh man, I need to. Wow! Okay, the game is introducing me to this now as well. Wow! Okay. As thin as 30 make me be old. What? 30 years old, really? You think 30 years old? Come on, man. Hold on. Hold on a second. What's over here? How am I gonna make this jump? How am I gonna do this? Oh wow, I don't know how I did that, but I did it. I'm not gonna try to attempt that apple, I don't. Exactly, if I was Chris Redfield. Oh, okay, so it took me back here. Ready, set, go. Oh, come on, come on, go, go. Wow, I did it. There's another boulder up there. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Come on! Come on! What did I just do? What the heck? Come on! Alright. Jazzy! Good morning to you! I've been here at 7:30. I've been streaming for an hour actually. I've been streaming. It's good! It's morning! That was a Friends episode. Morning's here! Oh, morning's here! Sunshine is near. I need to get that one up somehow. Not sure how, but I will. So I discovered I can do this now as well. Okay. Okay. Come on, we need to do this. How am I gonna do that? Come on! I don't think I can do this. Let's try again. 1, 2. No, I don't think it can be done. I haven't been swimming yet. I should. All my friends have been to the beach yet, except me. Alright, I don't know what needs to be done here. I don't know what needs to be done. I'm missing something. I'm not gonna bother. Alright, more running. Lives. Three lives. Up. Ready, set, run! Oh, run! Oh, come on, that was cheap. Not bad, but not good enough. Okay, we're good. I find that the loading times are a bit too constant. Too often, I mean. Thank you, Cheer. From his butt. Eel deal. Let's go. Oh, I think it's this one's underwater, I think. Now, if there's one thing I hate in video games is underwater levels. Whatever it is, if it's a Super Mario, if it's Uncharted, if it's anything, I hate underwater levels, so here we go. I don't think it's underwater, actually. Hey, hello, Mr. Bubuga. Bubuga! Oh, I know why it's called the eel deal, because the water is gonna get electrocuting. Okay. See, this is what's going to happen. But plus Trouble 50, not just the games only. No, just the games, just the games. How am I gonna do this? How am I supposed to do this? What? No! It sinks as well. Come on, man. Alright, that's fair enough. How do I do this? I cannot do this. I don't know why. Oh, come on. I never played Super Mario Sunshine. Never. I like Super Mario, but just the Super Mario's, the side-scrollers. What the heck? Game over. Hey, Stephanie. Hello. Let's do this. I am dying and I am getting game overs, but not as often as I was getting in Crash 1, at least. Let's do this. I still don't get how to destroy the fans, the fan. I don't know how it's done. I think I just need to go through. Alright, maybe like that. This guy. No! Can I kill the eel? No. Good to know. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, man. You're kidding me. Thank you so much, Stefan. No problem. Thank you so much for hanging out. You get some rest. Are you kidding me? You see how many times I tried to hit them? But no, they hit me. I think it's gonna be the first challenging level here in this game. Alright, this is as far as I'm getting. Oh, come on! I'm getting the hang of it to eliminate some of them. Oh, come on. Yeah, I agree with you on that one. Slim Gamer Man. They made a couple of poor decisions when it comes to Crash. Seriously, it's like I cannot hit them. What the heck? That mouse is coming my way. That Robo Mouse. Okay, I can jump on them at least. Oh! Oh, you're freaking kidding me with this. You're waiting for the message from the shop to pick up your Crash Bandicoot. Alright, let's go again. Amazing! Oh, I cannot do this. Wow, twice. That's it. I don't think I'm gonna do this. Wait a sec. Wasn't there a rocket launcher in this game or something? No way. No. I saw the trailer. Him shooting a rocket launcher. Wow. far so good. Maybe it's been crashed through the Apple launcher or something, yeah. Good. That felt good. Wumpa fruit, actually. They're not apples, exactly. They're Wumpa fruit. I did well now, if I do say so myself. Oopsie. What happens if I fall into that hole? I don't know. I'm gonna try. Alright, it's a bonus. Oh, look at that. Hang in there, Crash. See what I did there? No. Hurry up. Wumpa fruit. Alright, so what do we do here? Oopsie. Okay, whatever. That spiky thing looks like I cannot kill it. I'm just gonna make a run for it or something. Ah! Oh, come on! So close! What do I do? The music is awesome. Crash doesn't talk that much, no. But he does talk, but he doesn't talk that much, no. He says, whoa, uh-oh, stuff like that. I hate that these guys are looking at me, but I cannot kill these guys, can I? I'm gonna have to wait till they go down. I did it! Oh. Yeah, baby! Apple Launcher CV3. Alright, Jazzy knows. Okay. What's inside there? Hello. Okay, nice. Snowbiz. Yeah, let's switch for a little bit, why not? I like my hairs less talkative. So you don't like Spider-Man because he doesn't shut up. I love Spider-Man. Yeah. Go. Don't suicide penguins. You can still play. Yes, you can play as Coco. Whoa, 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 whoa! Look at that guy over there. Yeah, now I got Bubuga with Coco Bandicoot. There we go. Ah! And I can go up. All right. This platform doesn't exist. Buddy. Oh, come on, man. And I had the Bubuga for nothing. Okay. Let me try a few of the special moves. Okay. And this. I love that. Why am I not making that jump? And even the sound it makes. I love it. Ooh, wow. No! I failed on those boxes. Oh, I can try again. Alright. Let's try again then. Oh, come on, really? Come on! You stupid, stupid game. I want to get that last box. I don't care what it takes. There we go. I don't care about the apple. I just wanted to get the box. Wow. Oh, really? just keep running to gain momentum. Oh, come on! Oh, that's the best I can do. Uh-oh. How do I get up there? Uh-oh. What do I do? What did I do? Okay. What am I missing? Oh, wow. I don't know how I did that. Okay, but Jazzy, thank you so much for hanging out. Get some rest. Uh-oh. Slowly. Slowly. Now make a run for it. Ding! There we go. Alright, now it's different. There's a crystal. Nice. I did it. Oh yeah. I just realized Snowbiz is a pun for showbiz. I get it. Now I get it. Air crash. I was gonna go in here earlier. Nothing happens in here though. I think it's the last one. Yeah, air crash. Last one. Come on. Oh, here we go. I hate these platforms. I need to be very patient. again. I want it. There we go. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now be careful of these hippos. I hate these hippos. What? Come on! I landed on the hippo. The frickin' hippo. I hate the hippo. And I lost my Bubuga. Let's get a few lives if we can. Here we go. Okay, this doesn't look good. Let's see. Bubuga! Bubuga! Wow, the plant didn't get it with the explosion? That was close. That was very close. Okay, careful of the nitro now. Sure, I have the Bubuga. Okay, but still. Nice. I missed out on blocks, but I don't care. Crystal power!
Ten of 25 crystals. You're on your way. I'm running low on power, so communication from this point will be difficult. Remember, I'm counting on you.
Did I get her 24 crystals already? Seriously? Did I? Ah, now it's open. Komodo Brothers. Alright. Let's play as Crash again. Did I get her 24? 25 already? Did he say that? I don't know. Oh no. This isn't so bad. Oh, that's not bad. Komodo no mo. Komodo no mo. What? So we go up now? Yes. Unbearable. Oh man. See you later. Let's start from plant food. This looks like a bad idea, but let's go.
Good show, Crash. The Komodo brothers obviously lacked your mettle. But now's not the time to get cocky. There are still many crystals to obtain. Remember, the world is counting on you.
Let's go. Yeah, I figured this was gonna be one of those levels again. But I thought I'd get it out of the way right away! I'll just get rid of it right away. Oh, come on! Come on! I am making the jump. Are you kidding me? Oh! Oh, come on! That's why I start from this level. I wanted to get it out of the way.
Game over.
No, there's no pants today, Danik. I don't know why, but it's not working. Sorry, no pantsu today. No pantsu. Oof. Oh my goodness. I hate platforms. The water looks gorgeous. Listra. Neil! Come on! Zero lives already. What the heck?
Game over.
It's always no pants for me. No pants for you! No pants for you! Nobody got pants! Let's try this again. Eee! Let's do this. Stupid hippos! Stupid hippos! Come on! I haven't made this jump yet! It's where I keep failing. I haven't made it past that area yet. Freaking platforms. There we go. Alright. This is I haven't made it this far yet. So let's see. Checkpoint with 2 lives. That's okay, I guess. How am I supposed to do this? Wow.
Game over. Well, I was standing on the platform!
see if I can get a good angle. What? 0 lives. Umbrella, you know it. Look at that! I cannot find the exact... Oh man, I don't know how I did it, but I don't know how I'm gonna do this. How do I do this? How do I do this? How do I get past this? Some of these jumps are so unfair, huh? Three lives. Come on! You son of a biscuit! Lives. I think I can go past them with turbo, I think, yeah. Alright, I think I can do this. Hold on. Did we just discover something? Yes, alright. No! But at least I know how now. Ah! Okay. Alright. Last life, and we're done for. Heal. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it does not. Shut up. But at least now I've learned something. Well, at least you are not Crash Bandicooting into the Nitro. Oh man. I think the hardest part of the game is platforming and these plants, landing the jumps and... well, landing the jumps really. And the plants, like landing on the platform and spinning at the same time. Okay. I made it this far, I'm happy. Without dying. Okay, good. And I still have my Boo-Booga as well. Not that it's gonna make any difference. No, it's fine. It's fine. There's another Boo-Booga. Good. Now then. Alright. No! 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 No!
What do we got?
I don't care. I don't care. I got the Bubuga at least. Protect me. I don't care. I had the Bubuga protecting me. I don't care. What the heck?
What do we got? What do we got? What do we got?
No, I just decided I'm gonna go straight for the Nitro. Going straight for the Nitro is better because like this. It's better like this. Now then, don't mess this up. Okay, how many lives? 2. Freaking hippos! You're kidding me! Goodness. Breathe, I'm gonna suffocate. One last life, and I have to do this all over again. Let's get us some lives, hopefully. Alright. I'm gonna lose those boxes, but I don't care. Not the boxes, the apples, I mean. Okay, I can do this. Ding! I got some lives back. Whew! Ding ding! Yay, more jet ski. Or whatever that is. Oh no. Good. So I can either take the jet ski, which I will. Can they attack me from here? I don't want to risk it. Oh man, yes they can. How do you do that? How are you supposed to do that? I know. First you kill them from here. You can spin TNT boxes at the enemies, seriously. How do you do that? To make this jump. Alright. Oh no. Just great. No! Do the whole thing again. Oh man. But I did run. How did it work? Let's try again. Oh no. I can't believe I'm not gonna do this! Last life. Come on. Let's end this. We're so close to the end. I could use a Bubuga right now. You were saying, I remember when I spin attack the anti-box light towards the enemies. Yeah, I don't know, but I feel like I've seen it somewhere as well. Yes, another life at least. I cannot do the jump! Because of the camera angle, I can't calculate how far I am. He didn't do it, he didn't do the jump. Yeah, I got another life back. Whew. He's gonna go for it. There we go. My goodness. What's this? Why did I get that? I don't know. All the boxes, I think I got all the boxes. Wow. Alright, I got rid of the first one. Alright, next. Sooner or later, we'll see this one. I don't think I'm gonna like this one either. Whoa. that guy. Ouch. Are you kidding me? Oh, 0 lives, nice. There's too much stuff going on here. I don't want to die. Really? Okay. Okay. Oh, come on. I don't know how that works, but it works. Nice.
What have we got?
Another one shows up. Oh, come on!
What have we got?
Nope. It's not working now, I don't know why. two. I'm just gonna go for it. Oh well, I don't know how I did that. That's one. That's two. Three, that's how it's done. Booga. I think you can break these with like this. I know it. I don't like that guy. Ah, there's another guy. What was cool? Yes, buddy. 52, 57, that's good. Not bad. Hey, Freddy! Good morning, my friend. Good morning. Time for some Crash Bandicoot today. Something I don't usually play, it's just that I love this game. You're almost a Crash barbecued. Cheer. With your berry puns. What? I didn't get the crystal. I didn't get the crystal. I have to go back, right? I need the crystal. I have to get the crystal now. I have to go back, I have to do this again. Oh man. Where was the crystal anyway? What did I miss? No! Come on! I didn't make the jump! Ah! Come on, just get out of the water! Yeah, I did it on purpose. I didn't get the crystal from this level, man. I was glad it was over. If you can spin attack enemies into fans, then you can spin attack TNT boxes into enemies. But TNT boxes, once you spin on them, they blow up. That's the thing. Never. I can never do this. I cannot spin the barrel yet. No. That's me. I cannot go through. I don't know how I did that. Pure luck. That's it, I'm done here. I'm GG. Last life. The friendly patch for Minecraft. I don't know. I think they did release it already, actually. I think they did. No, but the cross-platform thing is not gonna work from PC to PlayStation, eh? No. It's gonna work every platform but PlayStation. This is PS4 right now. Are you kidding me?! I hate the nitro boxes. Almost fell off. Raven! I'm not making a good impression right now. You see? So cheap and unfair. I'm tired of doing it. And the thing is, I did this level, I completed it. I just didn't freaking pick up the crystal from somewhere. Of course. Oh my goodness! I didn't make the jump and I fall into the water and it gets electrocuted. I have to get the crystal, right? I mean, there's no way. Nice, I lost Booga Booga already. Oh, okay, nice, thank you. Come on. I'm sick and tired of this now. Not even gonna bother with that. Okay, so they do fall. Oh! Oh my goodness, I thought I was dead, I was looking away. Nice. Freaking cheap. Cheap! I tell you, cheap. So cheap. Of course. Otherwise, if I had Booga Booga, it'd be easy. But no, I have to take it. You have to take it away from me. I can never do this. And I did it! Nice, I lost it. Oh, okay! To do this again. I hate getting between the fan blades. I think I'm getting used to getting through the fan blades now. The apple distracted me from proceeding. I don't even know where the crystal is. I mean... I don't feel like dying here. Alright, this. 1, 2, 1. 2. 3. 3. Nice. Oh, come on. Come on. So where is the crystal? I don't know. Which way did I go through earlier? There's the crystal. It's okay, we got this. I can't see a thing! Okay, we're back. That's where the crystal was. I mean, when you think about it, it's quite cheap again. I mean, you give me 2 paths. How am I supposed to know which way is the crystal? GG! Haha! I think I did better with boxes now. Come on, go through. What the heck? Yeah, baby! I think I got rid of the tough levels now of this area. Trial and error. That's right. That's right.
Crash, thank goodness! I hacked into Cortex's computer and found detailed schematics for an improved Cortex Vortex and a suspicious-looking space station. I'm not sure, but Cortex might be trying to...
Okay. So how many did I get so far? 1, 2. Just these 2 so far. Wow. Wait, is there 2 unbearables? No. Bear down. Okay. Let's go bear down. Excellent work. Thank you guys. Thank you, Raven. I think there's more polar bear. Yes, more polar bear! Yeah, baby! Yeah. Let's do this. The music is fantastic. I love the music. Wow! I love how the little polar bear kind of barks when he's on top of the frozen bandicoot. He like goes like, ow! was a long jump, huh? Wow, man, this jump. He's adorable, I know, right? This is a very long jump. Oh man, I cannot do this jump. I cannot rage, however, in this stage. This is so much cute and fun. And I can't be mad at this stage. I don't care how many times I die. None of this is cheap. Here we go. Oh no! We need a checkpoint. My goodness, this jump. I hate this jump. I like how Crash is not even holding to anything. Like, look, no hands! Come on! This is the true Crash, though. I know there have been many Crash games over the years, but this is the true Crash. I cannot make this jump! I haven't made it any further than this. Game over.
Game over.
I need a checkpoint. There we go. Thank you, guys. Jump! No! Straight into the whale's face. I love how he goes up to heaven or whatever and he's holding the polar bear. He's like, I'm taking you with me, buddy. You're too cute. What? They didn't raise it up. They're just gonna stand there. They tricked me. It's okay, I got this. I got this. Oops. Crash cubed. Come on. These guys are not gonna raise it. Oh, come on! One life left. GG. Nice. Oh, so close with the boxes. That's fine. I love these kind of levels. The bear down. Okay. Alright, next please. Road to Ruin. Okay. Oh man. The mouse is adorable. I like the mouse. I guess you can't kill those guys. Cheated death for the I don't know what that is, but I cheated death apparently somehow. Oh, come on! Wow, this far, eh? Oh, really? Ouch, that's it. Donkey Kong. Eee! That's it. That's how I drain my lives in 30 seconds. Oh, come on! And that's it. GG. My goodness.
Game over.
Oh, you're kidding me. Come on. No pants mode activated. Ah, what? But I'm just gonna whatever. I was gonna commit suicide, but you know, let's give it another shot. Chases me around. I'm gonna go this way now. Do you see where the crystal was? When I took the wrong path, what happens? Oh, come on! These guys cannot be killed. Jazzy's still here. I thought you left. Nice. It's always nice to see you anyway. This guy over here. Oh, come on! The same spot again! Oh man, I'm getting angry now. 0 lives! Oh, nice. Fantastic. Danika's still here as well. I'm bringing everyone out of lurk.
Game over.
We're all here for you, Vloggy. Thank you, Cheer. Oh man, it's so hot today. You wouldn't believe how hot it is today. It's all sticky and humid and... Oh man, hopefully this is one of the last games I'll be streaming before I have my AC, and then I'm gonna lock myself in that room. And I'll be streaming better with face cam. I can do radio vloggy. Ah! It's not even a hard stage really. It's always the jumps. It's always the jumps. There we go. Lost. This is not where I'll die again. Yes, it will be. Oh my goodness. Nice. Bubuga indeed. Gonna make a run for it. Keep going. Whew. Crash runs faster now, right? I don't think so. No, I think it's the same speed. I think it's just the same speed. You should play the Mercenaries in that FPS area. I did play the Mercenaries last time, no. Oh, come on. Oh! Now you're gonna play this game. Haha, nice one. Okay, they did. I know that he released an update. The maker of that game. And I actually got in touch. He's like, "Thank you for making a video about my game." I'm like, "Dude, it's awesome. Keep doing that." He's like, "Okay," but he didn't tell me that he updated it. Maybe I'll play it this Saturday. I don't know. We'll see. No! No! What is wrong with that box? Why can't I jump on that box? At least I'm not losing any lives. I'm just... What is going on? Look at this, guys. Look at this, look at this. It's gonna come back up again. How cool is that? Are you kidding me? Hey, thank you for subscribing, Big Boss. Thank you so much. And welcome. I don't usually rage, okay? This is something out of the ordinary. I don't like raging. I really don't. I'm not about that rage. But yeah, this game is making me rage. But it's okay. I don't know, do I rage actually? Or I just think of myself that I don't rage. Yo! I can't wait to start doing those Friday Horror Nights. It's gonna be amazing. There we go. You think I rage? No, but except this game. Except this game. Like, but normally I don't rage. I don't think I do. Do I? I don't know. I'm doing great, Big Boss. Thank you for asking. How are you, buddy? Oh, this. Okay. No, no! I love the monkeys. Look at the monkeys. Look how they behave, the monkeys. Hold on. Look, look. Oh, this is a different monkey, actually. This is a different kind of monkey. Oh, come on! I was right there, look, so close. Do I have to do this again? No, it's off now. No! I didn't realize. Oh man, last life. I cannot afford to lose. No! Man, I didn't know that the platform was gonna fall off. Start over, like an idiot. You need a glass of water. I don't think this level is difficult, actually, to be honest with you. It's just the platforming, as always, and it's hitting me with unpredictable things. Like, I don't expect certain things to happen. The behavior of certain creatures. Like these following me around. Have you had your breakfast? No. No, I haven't had my breakfast, no. Alright, I can do this. Whoop! Okay, I lost my Booga Booga, but that's fine. I think there's gonna be another Booga Booga here. No. No Booga Booga. I got another life. Let's go. this is another booga booga here. One, two. What's next? Monkey? No. I'm gonna do the bonus again. No! The frickin' platforming! Oh, nice. 3 lives. Come on, don't mess this up. Don't mess this up, man. Be smooth. Nope. Oh! Oh man. No, breakfast is good. I know it's important, but ain't nobody got time for that. Playing it safe. Come on, Ken, you can do this. Monkey! Alright, let's go. Just keep running. We did it. Ah, missing boxes, huh? Progress is slow, I know. Alright, so out of his mouth. Unbearable. Okay, I know this one. I know this one. You know that cute bear that we ride on? Now his dad is gonna get us. His dad is gonna come for us. I think this is it. The giant bear opens a secret passage. Oh, really? Ready? 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 Oh no! That was stupid of me. There he is! There he is! I didn't mean to ride on your little baby! Help me, please! Please help me! Okay. Here it comes. Cheer, as soon as True fixes his computer, we're gonna play Help Me Please. Definitely. Please help me! Oh, come on! I did the slide! No, bear, help me! I didn't do anything! Ah! Bear! Help me! Haha! Sucker! 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 There's another one up there already, I see it. There's another one up there. Hey Max, welcome! Nice to see you. There's another bear already, I can see you, look. Not good. Ready, set, run! This is pretty much the same like the boulder, but just a giant bear instead. Oh, come on, stupid gecko. Another bear! Get down! You bear up there. You're gonna end up just like that one over there, okay? Just so we're clear. Another bear! Get down! Wait, come on! Come on! Come on, we need to slow this bear down! He almost got me! Ah, he got me. He's laughing. These type of stages I don't mind. I'm gonna have to start over again though. Go! There he is up there. Ready? Go! Have a great time. What's my favorite crash? I don't know really. I don't know. I know that the first one is not my favorite. Ready, set, run! No, 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 keep running. Please. I went over the fence. We're getting close. Is that the secret passage that he opened? I don't know. I don't think so. Make that jump. No, I'm gonna try again. No, but there should be like... Hang on, let me try something else. Let me try something else. I don't know if this is gonna work though. It worked. Oh, I cannot. I got it. I don't know how. Alright, are we ready? Is there more bear? I think there's more bear. Yes, there's another bear up there. Oh man, those teeth. Let's go. Whoa! Whoa! He's laughing. The bear is laughing at me. Shut up, bear. No! Oh man, this is not easy. There's another bear. Whoa! No! Why are you doing this? No! He's like revenge now for chasing me. No! Not the TNT! Why did I go into... Okay, how many lives? 2. Oh man, this jump! What's going on down there? Alright, last life, and then I start over. I did it! Bear! Bear, are you there? I don't know about the secret passage though. That's a nice place to hide it, Crash. Alright, now what?
Crash, my boy. You are more than halfway there. But I'm sure you've noticed that things are getting harder. The last 10 crystals will be the hardest to gather, and my Our enemies will be sending their strongest forces to thwart you. I'll contact you again when you have completed the next warp room.
So, Tiny Tiger. Here we go. No, I think you can hear the sound of my fan, actually, not the console. I think it's the fan you can hear. I got a fan on me. It's so hot. No, it's not the console, I think you can hear. It's oh. Okay. Okay. What happens? What do you do? Yeah, the wind blowing. Is it too much? Is it too annoying? Do you want me to switch it off or something? I mean, like, I can adjust it so you don't hear it that much. Is it? If it's too annoying, let me know and I'll fix it. Once I get the AC, this is no longer going to be a problem. Plus, my microphone has a pop filter, so... Oh, I'm looking at the... Alright, that's fine. Try again. Oh man. The boss fight is adorable. They're adorable. The boss fight is adorable. Not even he. Oh man, that's so funny. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh wow, like we cannot cross paths either when we're jumping. Man. Okay. Okay. Okay, we got this.
Game over.
Yeah, exactly, Doug. But it's just classic. In fact, that's why some reviewers had a hard time determining whether this is going to be a good game for newcomers. Because some people are going to find the mechanics too lame now, these days, you know? But for classic, old school gamers, they're going to love this. Whoa, first time I ever fell off. Platforming. I haven't been able to make it full twice. Oh. Okay, 2. Come on, we can do the third one. No, don't tell me I died. What? Come on, I did it! That's cheap. What did you realize, Jay? Oh no, he's too close now. Oh, come on! You son of a biscuit!
Game over.
Oh yeah, the tall one, yeah, the tall one with the boobs, right? They confuse her with Coco. Yeah, some boss fights, some bosses return in the next game's life. What on chocolate fudge? Talk sucker. Oh man, it's like I lost my mojo now. I cannot do this. I love how he's called Tiny. Oh, come on! Seriously now? I'm getting angry now. Oh, okay, he didn't jump. No, he refused to jump.
Game over.
I just skipped. I didn't know that. That was close. Oh, come on! I still don't know what I need to do to make him jump on the platforms that are falling off. Is he following my exact same pattern? Let's see. I think so. I think so. Hold on. I'm studying his pattern now. Let's see. If I jump this way. Alright, I think I know what I need to do, okay. He is following me around, completely. Oh, come on! I'm losing my patience now with this boss.
Game over.
Oh. Oh, that's nice. You go get the game. You're gonna have a great time. Go get the game. Go get the game. No, he doesn't follow you around. No. He takes shortcuts. Oh my goodness, I'm getting angry now. Okay, Jazzy. Enjoy the game, huh? Are you freaking kidding me? This is one of the simplest bosses and it's giving me such a hard time. Come on, man. Alright, come on. He tries to fly, huh? With his arms. Alright, come on, last one. No! I got cornered. Yes, I did it. Last time I did it as well, but I don't know. It didn't work. We go up. Look at that, how cute. Alright. Behaving. Ruination, cold, hard crash, digging it, hanging out. Let's start from hanging out. Doesn't sound good, but let's go. We have to do this. Yeah, I had a feeling it was this level. Okay. No! Oh, come on!
Game over.
Ten more crystals to go and you're done with this game. 10 crystals, that's a lot. That's a lot. Wow. Wow. They're just coming at me. I'm not gonna go down the hole. Oh, I think I have to. This is why it's hanging. Okay. Oh man. Really? You think so? Oh, come on! There's no way for me to tell how close I am to those things. And there's no way, I mean... It doesn't work, does it? Wow. You never played this game? I thought you did. Oh, okay. Okay, wow. supposed to do this? It's impossible. How am I supposed to do this? Okay. Just gonna go for it. Whoa, nice. Oh yeah, he told me. Yeah, that's right. Crash and Crash Bash. That's right. He told me. I forgot. On the game right now. Oh, this guy's moving fast, or not? Well. Come on. Okay. That's fine. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow! This game, man. Oh, come on! Oh, you're freaking kidding me! It's not even the hard parts. I wasn't supposed to do that. And every single time I die, I have to do the whole thing again here.
Game over.
doing all this. I've rage quit 2.5 hours ago. Ugh. Are you kidding me? Now I'm gonna rage in Oprah mode. It's not even funny. Come on. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh, perfect. I unlocked a new character. Nice. And by nice, I was being sarcastic. It wasn't nice. I couldn't do that jump. Moving faster now from side to side. That's nice. Ah! I don't have the Bubuga now. How am I gonna do this? It's the camera angle that ruins me. Oh well, I don't know how, but I did it. No, I don't have a double jump. No. I hope I don't miss the crystal again, like last time. I have to do the whole thing again. I'm in the water. Oh, there it is. Just jump! Alright, so I got the crystal at least. That means we're getting close to the end, I suppose. There's a bonus stage here. Gather some lives. Oh no. No. this cannot be done. There's no way to do this. No, there's no way to do this. No, there's no way. Oh no! There we go. Now I can go claim my... You know what? Never mind. I'm not gonna do the bonus. No! You son of a biscuit! Hey, Juan! How are you, buddy? This guy! No! Oh my goodness! Oh man! I'm losing it now, huh? I'm losing it. Start over. Okay, nice.
What have we got?
I'm getting angry now, I'm getting annoyed. One last round and I rage quit, that's it.
Game over.
Get on the boxes! I didn't hear no bell. What? I got the Bubuga at least. I hope I don't lose Bubuga too soon. It's a Rocky reference. There we go, I lost the Bubuga too soon. Okay, I think I can do this. This is it, the moment of truth. This will determine if I lose the game completely or not. This is fine. These jumps right here. No! I didn't make the jump. Really? Because I don't believe in me. Well, I believe in my skills, but the game can get very cheap. I got Bubuga to help me now, but we'll see. Let's see if we mess this up as well. That was close. I still have Bubuga. One last jump. And now I did it. With Bubuga by my side, I think he gave me a confidence boost. Come on. Crystal, get up there! Why does he hesitate? I'm not gonna go. No! That's not what I had in mind. Heal! That's it. I lost my rhythm. can't believe this. Make things easier. No! I'm losing my voice as well now. That's it. That's it. No more. No more. Because from this point on, I'm gonna start slamming the controllers, start saying things. I'm just gonna stop it here. That's enough. That's enough. GG. Thank you for everyone that hung out with me in the chat. I'll continue this maybe later or tomorrow or something. But yeah, I'm gonna stop. That's it. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Ciao. Thank you, cheer.